But then I want to show you this. You'll see two error messages related to the SEC code 2083ZAR. So where does this come from? This is a legacy data issue. Outdated or invalid SEC code information was pulled through during the certificate history retrieval. The EasyFile system brought in data that should no longer be there. And SARS doesn't like that. Here's how to fix it, or better yet, prevent it altogether. Under the SEC code drop-down in the Employer Admin section, scroll to the very top and select Please Select. That simple move clears the field and keeps your submission from crashing. It's quick, it's easy, and it saves you from one of the most frustrating errors I've seen in this process.
The early dawn is breaking with the hope of a new beginning.